Always check your rubber, people. You don't want a loose rubber. You can see in there. Where are we looking? Well, it's loose and cracked. That's the last thing you want, is a loose and cracked rubber. What do you mean I need back brakes? They're still working. Yeah, okay. I know I definitely don't need front discs. Look how shiny and good they look. What do you mean, look at the back? Never check your discs from the front, people. Always the back. Right, 2007 Severa, the car that is known for going on fire. So, as we all know, car companies spend millions upon billions of pounds doing research on all sorts. So, we have here a normal Batman mug for kids, for men, and we have a cup holder there. So you can imagine, with this being a 7-seater, there's going to be at least 4 kids screaming, annoying you, doing your nothing, and all you want to do is drink your coffee in the morning, or your tea, or whatever's your poison. So you come up to the first set of traffic lights, stop the car because you want to shout at all the kids for doing your heading, pull up the handbrake, oh look, it pulls your coffee cup out. I mean, if your lid's not properly on, it will completely come off. It was actually completely tipping it on me there not so long ago, but obviously, there we go. So yeah, I mean, how did this pass? How? Someone said, oh, let's stick a cup holder there, but we won't test it. Sorted. Even proper connections, sometimes these are proper connections. They've got solder inside and they've also got the glue on the outside, so they're proper connections, but even these can obviously fail, just like everything else. If I put the test light on there, nothing. This is an indicator, by the way. Put the test light on this side of it. As you can see, it's flashing. So we have power that side, but we don't have power in there, which means it's internally in the connection that it's baggered. And I would kind of maybe suggest that it's because of all these connections are together. When you kind of do this, it's best to stagger them, because you get a big clump here and it doesn't bend and it can cause problems. And as you can see, this one has failed, and I think it's because of all these other connections there. But anyway, this job is going to be fixed. Going to have an indicator sorted. Vulcanizing tape repaired. Sorted. How annoying is it when you come to tighten a ball joint or anything like that, the whole thing spins. With this gadget, we can pump it up, get it in place, put pressure on it, and then we can spin the bolt at the bottom without the whole thing spinning. Lovely. That's the part number from Works, or Welsh Works, should I say. Lovely. This is to the flat rate master. It's your battery leads. Woo! Pre-NCT check. As you can see, the exhaust is very rusty. You just look at that the wrong way and it's just going to explode in a million pieces. We have a hell of a lot of rust at the back, even to the point where I put this in, if we can see. It's just so weak. I could just, well, you can just see, I could just rip that off. There's nothing there. Back suspension just completely rusted on it. Same this side, just completely gone. Look towards the front, we can see brakes are baggered. Wishbone bushings are gone. Wishbone bushings are gone. Yeah, bad brakes. I think this car's ready for the scrap heap. Rusty sump again. I could put the lever bar through that. We have a big leak on the gearbox. Lovely. Now I know you might be staring at a step with dog hair on, but this is going to be an ultimate brake hack. Cannot wait to film this. These bad boy Brimbos, I'm going to show you how to do a big huge brake conversion without costing thousands. Look at them bad boys. Brimbo. Time to crack out this bad boy. Are you ready? Oh, oh, oh. Boom! Ooh. 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 Lovely. Ever wondered why the back of your car doesn't feel like it's connected to the front of the car? This is one reason. I'm going to be showing you loads of little things on this car. This is a 2007 ST Mondeo and it has a few little problems, so I'm going to go through them all, but I'm also going to show you how to, for instance, upgrade the brakes with a massive brake hack for reasonably cheap, especially compared to a £2,000 brake job. And we're going to show you how to do a few tuning bits and a few kind of mods to the car for little money. Well, I say little money, for not as much as you would kind of expect, with a bit of common sense, bit of hard work and a bit of internet searching. Lovely.